In the previous video, we saw how to create the roller support assembly in SolidWorks. In this third part of the tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create the exploded view. This is very simple. So, to create the exploded view, just come to this exploded view tab or command. And then we have these two steps you can add. So if add the first step. The first step of the explosion, I will zoom out so I can have enough space. So the first step of the explosion is to make sure that all of these parts or these components, except the base, move upwards. So we use the regular step. So what we'll do is click on all the parts. So just click on this bracket, hold down the shift key and click on this ruler. But these three other screws have not been selected, so select them manually. And then we're going to pull them up. By this distance, so this is okay. And then click on done. Next step is to make sure that we move the brackets, the bush, and then the two screws far apart. So now, click on the brackets. And then the two screws and the bush. Now click on the arrow and then pull them apart like this. By a distance of, let's say, 90 will be okay. Done. We do same for the other parts as well. Then pull them apart by 90 millimeters. Done. Then we pull the brackets and then the screws apart as well. So click on the bracket, this screw and this screw, and then pull them apart like this by, let's say, 40. Done. Do same for this. By 40 millimeters. Done. And make sure that you pull these 4 screws upwards. So you start with the 2 here. And pull them up like this by, let's say, 95. Done. And then you pull these 2 sets of screws as well upwards by 95. Done. And then finally, we are going to pull the ruler up. So click on the ruler, pull it up like this. You can even pull it back like this as well. Okay. So this is the final exploded view of the ruler support. I'll zoom in a bit. And this is what we have. So yeah, that is the end of this tutorial. Thanks for staying until the end. If this tutorial confused you up to this point, make sure you go back and then start again and follow along. This is very simple to do. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and turn on post notification. And I'll see you in the next tutorial. Safe.